Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that will help you transform your life. We'll be talking about breaking bad habits and building good ones. If you've ever struggled to overcome those pesky habits that hold you back, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. Identifying your bad habits. The first step to breaking bad habits is to identify them. Take some time to reflect on your daily routine and behavior patterns. What habits do you engage in that are not serving you well? Write them down in a journal or use a note-taking app to keep track. Segment 2. Understand the triggers. Now that you have your list of bad habits, it's crucial to understand the triggers that lead to them. Triggers can be external cues or internal emotions that prompt your habit loop. For example, stress might trigger the habit of biting your nails. By recognizing these triggers, you can start to interrupt the pattern. Segment 3. Replace with positive habits. Breaking a bad habit becomes easier when you replace it with a positive one. Identify a positive habit that aligns with your goals and values. For instance, if you want to quit smoking, you can replace it with exercising or practicing deep breathing techniques. Remember, it's essential to choose a replacement habit that provides a similar reward or benefit. Segment 4. Create a habit loop. To build a good habit, you need to create a habit loop. This consists of 3 components: the cue, the routine, and the reward. Let's say you want to develop a habit of reading every night. The cue could be setting an alarm. The routine would be reading for 30 minutes, and the reward can be a delicious cup of herbal tea or a chapter of your favorite novel. Segment 5. Consistency and accountability. Consistency is key when building good habits. Set specific, achievable goals and create a schedule or routine that supports your habit formation. Additionally, accountability can significantly impact your success. Share your goals with a friend or family member who can provide support and keep you on track. Segment 6. Overcoming obstacles. Along your journey, you may encounter obstacles that test your commitment. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Instead, be prepared with strategies to overcome them. If you stumble, reflect on what caused the slip and find alternative solutions. Remember, perseverance is crucial in breaking bad habits and building good ones. Segment 7. Celebrate milestones. Celebrate your milestones and successes along the way. Acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for the efforts you've put into breaking bad habits and building good ones. Treat yourself to something you enjoy or indulge in a self-care activity that rejuvenates you. Segment 8. Final thoughts. And that's a wrap. Breaking bad habits and building good ones is a lifelong journey. Remember to be patient with yourself and embrace the process. It's okay to make mistakes as long as you learn from them and keep moving forward. You have the power to transform your life one habit at a time. Conclusion. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal growth and self-improvement. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay committed and keep working towards a better you.